Welcome to The Explainer. Let's dive into a key part of your online security.
Every single day, something is protecting you online. But what is it?
And inside this building, all of your most important personal information. Now, some of these packages are totally fine, but others, they can be real trouble. This guard's one job is to check every single package before it gets inside.
So how do they decide? They check the package, the sender, and follow some really strict rules.
If a package is expected and it's from someone you trust, it gets the green light.
But if anything seems off, like malware or hacking attempts, it's blocked instantly.
Yep, this simple act of filtering is what keeps everything inside that building safe.
But what if a bad package slips by? Well, that can be a huge problem.
We're talking about things like your passwords getting stolen. That's why this is so critical.
So what do we actually call this digital security guard?
It's called a firewall. Think of it as a protective wall for your network.
The main takeaway is that it watches everything based on a set of security rules.
Now you might be thinking, isn't that just an antivirus? Not quite. Let's clear it up.
See, the firewall is the guard at the gate. The antivirus is like the inspector already inside.
So is your guard on duty? If your system's updated and security is on, you're good to go. So now you know your front door is guarded. But what about the threats lurking inside?
If you learned something new in this 2 minutes, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next bite.